Welcome to your second tutorial on HTML. Today, I'm going to be showing you some formatting tags which can be used in HTML. As usual, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload a video. Now let's begin. Formatting tags modify the output of text. So if you want to format an HTML document, we do that using these formatting tags such as bold, underline, italics, big, small, subscript, superscript, strong, and insert. When you want to show some text at the top of the word, you use the superscript tag, and when you want it to show at the bottom, you use the subscript tag, and the big and small are used to modify the size of the text. Now let's open our text editors and begin. So we'll start with the P because you want these sentences to appear at different lines. So I'll write regular text to differentiate between the normal text and then the formatted text. So we'll start with the bold, and this one uses the B tag. Now the next is the italics. This one uses the I, and this slants the word. Now the next thing we'll do is the underline, and it also uses the U. This one, it underlines the text. Now the next one will be a small, and this makes the font small, like the words makes it small. Now we'll move on to the big tag, and this makes the font size big, and it uses the big in the tag. The next thing is the superscript, and uses the SUP tag. And I've already explained what a superscript is. And the next thing is the subscript, and uses SUB. The next thing is the strong tag, and this highlights an important word. Now the next will be the insert, and this shows an inserted text and uses the INS tag. Now we'll move on to the delete, and this shows a deleted text. It shows a line crossing through the text. Now we are done. We will save our document with the name formatting tag with the extension HTML. Now I'll minimize the tab, then we open our web browser. So it's loading. As you can see the text. Look at the regular text. You see the bold text has been bolded, the italic text has been slanted, then the underline has been underlined. So look at the deleted text. And as you can see on the menu bar, you see the first. If you enjoyed the video, just click on the like button. See you in the next video. Bye.